873. 873 in const macros by system within the rule bomb constants. We have all box bomb settings right here. And we have the ticker time for hazard, lay a bomb, sensor, and warn time, which are going to reference other values that were defined in previous videos. We're going to take these variables and get a shorthand reference to it, and then all of our bombs, our vertical bombs get these settings, our horizontal bombs get these settings, the four-way bombs get these settings, and the instant kill bombs get these time settings. Now, for the actual directions of the blast and the size of the blast, the two-way vertical is going to have a reach of 1 tile on the x-axis in each direction, and then it's going to have a 5-tile reach in each direction on the y-axis. The horizontal box bomb has a 1-tile reach upwards and downwards, and a 5-tile reach on the x-axis. The four-way box bomb has a reach of 2 tiles in every single direction. The instant kill box bomb has a reach of 3 tiles in each direction. Okay, let's move on to the next section. So in data by system, within the rule bomb constants, V16 to X0 lookup table now has the box bombs at the very end. V16 to X1, like how far to the right. Now we have the box bombs there. How far upward are we going? We got the box bombs. How far downward are we going? We got the box bombs. And that's it. So down here is what we did previously. And then we also have justifications for why we chose the 2-tile radius for the 4-way box bombs. And we also have a justification for why we chose a 3-tile radius for the instant kill box bombs. And you can check out the code on your own time to see the explanation, or you can look at the longer code review. So you are on the fast code review. We don't have any more time here. Slower code review is here. Tech demos only. Source code. Ways to get a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. Like, subscribe, and follow if you want to see how to make a game engine from complete scratch. My name is Kanji Coder.